Think are we good? Yeah, we're only eating. Okay. Coffee table multitask. Okay. So right now my thermal camera is a little bugged, and that's what we're gonna look into. Fun stuff. So, no. Why is it that that's working? If I click this, it stops working in game. I wonder if that has anything to do. Hello, Lauren Mile. It's going well. Hoping I don't run into any artists looking for work today. Keeping my fingers crossed. Know what I mean? Let's see. I wonder if I just delete this. Damn it. No. Something about when it spawns, it's ruining the post-process setting. So if I go F1, escape, so I'm like pulled by unpossessed basically. Click on this guy, this is the thermal scanner that we spawned, and then if I go to the scene capture, my exposure settings aren't set. What the hey? I wonder if it actually even has the post-process. Okay, yeah, so it has the material in there, but I need these settings to be correct. So what we're doing is so yeah, I have this function here to set our post-process settings. See, set to day. If our scene controller target is day or night, maybe we do this. Print, append. Whatever, true means day, false means night. Okay. Yeah, so it said true. It knows that the post-process setting is true, so this is coming out here. Oh my gosh, really? Day or night? Wow. Getting the wires crossed. Why do they put false first? I thought true was supposed to be 0. Nice. Okay. And then if we come down here, say night, set night settings. Come in here. That works pretty darn well. So now let's go back to day. Still super dim, but I want to see what happens if I like have a lot of light around. Oh, that's not going to turn these on much. If anything. I do need to make those brighter though for sure. Yeah, so for this, let's see. I'm gonna try this again. Let's see what we can play with here. Lens. Okay, so we want to bring exposure up. Shutter speed, we can bring that down. Is that even gonna let us do that? Nope. Okay. Is this none? I'm trying to read property scene controller. What? Oh, was I clicking on the scene controller? No. Yeah. Okay. There we go. It's a little better. Still not as bright compared to the night version. Actually, let's see. Clickety click click click. I mean, it's usable, kind of. If I come out here, oh hot Jesus. Maybe I did kind of tag most of the house. That's nice though. I was worried that the somehow walking outside would blow everything out, but the oh my god, what am I running into? That's so, what is happening? It's so strange. Oh, maybe I'm getting like caught on the outside here? No, because it's happening over here. Oh, okay. I'm falling through the floor. There's no collision on that mesh. That's fine. That's alright. Ooh, look, the room's all blue or purple. Crazy. Oh, a ghost. Okay. So, yeah, I think this is working. Let's double check our night setting one more time. This is, oh my goodness, yeah, that's so bright. See, that feels like a proper illuminated screen. Which I like. I want to get it that hot for the day version. But no, it kind of makes sense in the day to have it not, if it's like that bright at night, right? In the day it would get a bit washed out and probably be a little bit harder to see. So that's fair. I'll leave that. But I do want to still make it a bit brighter. Okay, so let's do like 8,000 ISO. Yeah, I think that's good. That's nice and clear. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, he's in the hallway. Ooh, he's coming. Oh lord, he's coming. Where is he? Maybe not. No, he's not in the hallway. Okay. Where's the little bastard? Oh, he's in the kitchen. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that is so satisfying. Oh my goodness. To just like know where he is like that. Mm. So I think those are good then. That's set up. I think the look of it's fine. I mean, obviously the tool itself could use some work, but the important part is the screen. Oh yeah, okay. One more thing I gotta do. Dun, 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 dun. Ba, 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 ba. I gotta make the UI illuminated on the tool as well. What am I doing here? Blueprint. Ruh-roh. Okay. No materials assigned at the widget level. That's fine. So we bring this in. Scale it. Oop, scale it up. Okay. Capture this. Oh, you little bastard. Why? Why is that not working? Man. Okay. I think it's because when the editor calls it, it's not trying to get this. I'm going to actually store this as a variable at the beginning. Because honestly, I feel like this is going to be a whole thing. So let's take this. Let's do that. Just to make sure we know that that's coming from the controller. Okay, and then back in our thermal scanner. Oh, we don't need this. I don't need that. Oh yeah, so it is running that set thermal time of day is shit. Why? Why is it not working? It's like this is the event that the player would basically call, and then to test it in the viewport or in the editor, I'm running those. That's already correct. Why is it not working? Scene capture. Okay, that's fine though. That's a known error. It's just saying it's inefficient, but it's only happening on one frame, so WTF, mate? But if I click on this, my exposure settings will not be correct. Wow, what do you know? What? Why? Why though? Why you like this? I don't want to manually set that. Whatever. Okay, we're gonna ignore it for now. We're just gonna focus on this because this is independent of any post-process effects. This should just be like an unlit kind of material. That's all we need to worry about. So this is the material it uses. We're gonna. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Oh, it is already unlit. Why is it not showing up? Is it just not visible at all? No way. It's there, yeah. Why will it not show? See, even in the sun, the color is all dark. What is up with that? Back color. Well, basically, I'll take this, copy it, we're gonna chuck it back in our own material. As we leave it in you. Shite. Did I solve this already here? I doubt it, but let's try it. Just in case. So with this, I gotta find it in the thing. Sensor. Okay, well, I mean, that's super bright now. But not out here. What the flip? You see it because I mean, it's a widget. It's not like a nanite object. I'm not like, nanite's not the rendering system, right? Because like I can have non-nanite things on screen. Well, I guess it still technically converts. It does have to rasterize that or something. Shite. Let's see. Nope. No, I don't think I see any change in tone even in the little UI piece. I wonder if it's because that back color. I mean, let's see. Let's try just taking what it is. And the tool, there was the nanite material, right? Oh, am I tripping? Jeez, okay. Yo. What's up, Aslan? How you doing? Pleasure to have you. Yeah, it's going good. Just getting to work, solving some bugs here. How you doing? Layers won't matter. Awesome. Glad to hear it. You make games too? Or what brings you to my humble stream? Background color, yeah, see, pretty sure the alpha's 0, so it wouldn't be that. If I brought the alpha up. That's not gonna do anything. Actually, it kind of comes through a little bit. I am new to kick streaming, and I am not looking for an artist to help me with my things. If that's what you might be asking. Shman. Okay, let's see. Emissive colors getting multiplied by 10. So I'm already using this. I think somewhere else. Alright, I'm just gonna copy it and we'll put it in the other one. Or with our tool UI. Goodness gracious. So okay, I'm gonna take this. Thermal scanner. Use you. Man, like why? Redraw. I mean, no, draw it once. Don't. Ugh. I don't need any of this. Background color, no tint color, no opacity. Super visible. Overlay material, but nothing else. Really don't need any of this. There's some decal. It's not gonna do it, but maybe let's just crank it up, see. Okay, good lord. Alright, now I bet if I go to the night version, it's gonna be like crazy blown out. So that's good. I guess it makes sense, right? Like, unlit. I don't know, is what? Like a certain exposure value? And then it's like camera and post-processing will affect that, which is like kind of lame, right? Unless supposed to be unlit. Light's not a component to it, so exposure shouldn't mean anything. Okay. Night settings. Sweet Mary and Joseph. Okay. Also, I say that a lot, and just as a general note, I'm not Christian. That's just a fun expression. Sounds silly. Okay. Man. I have to have, like, all these tools be aware of their freaking exposure so much. Could I leave it like that? Maybe. I would like to drop it. Let's see if I can get away with using it. Oh, nice. In the day. Oof. I don't want to make that any more dim. I should actually make it brighter, to be honest. Look at him go. He turned on the light. So proud of him. Don't we love it? Don't we love it? Okay. Spooky. Okay. So we do want to make that brighter. Can I do that? 200. Apply while the game's running. I dare you. Ooh, that's good. I think because the screen is so dim, though, it doesn't entirely match. So we'll kind of walk that back a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Very visible, not super bright. Perfect. Click this, like that. The setting even stayed. Set night, play. Mother of pearl. Wonder. Mascara. Default value. I don't even know. No, it's supposed to be switch parameter. Okay, day setting. We use this. Night setting. We use this. Waiting on a moment. And then, I mean, this is just a parameter in the material, so take this, come back to our scanner tool, and we say, take widget component. Something like that, no? Yeah, set scalar parameter value. No, right? Oh, I guess I need to get the material. Let's see. Get material. Yeah, get the material. Okay. Ooh. Now we take this. Oh, for real? Material interface. Huh. That sucks. Material dynamic. Oh, okay, fine. Returns the material used by the element at the specified index. I mean, sure. Is there other ways to get the material? It's gotta be this, right? Okay. Oh wait, yeah, this was supposed to be true or false. Dang it. No, I want to say set shit. Scale. What is this? Okay, it's rendering. It's in a rendering material. So we're just gonna come down here. We're gonna look at all our options. Rendering material. Okay. We're gonna want get and want set. Set custom primitive data. That is just, yeah, custom primitive data as it says. Data index marks the render state dirty. Custom primitive data on default? No, it's scale parameter. Use set texture parameter value? No. I thought there was a way to change the switch. There's no way to... Value by info? No way. Dang it. To initialize a value? Ooh. That's pretty nice. Okay, we could do that here maybe. Somehow. Initialize scalar parameter. So that just means that in my thing here, this is just gonna have to be like, okay, let me set this up first. 50 to 100 in thermal scalar. It's gonna basically do this again, but now. Well, no, just give me change pin type to float. Okay, so if it's day, use 150. If it's night, use 50. Right? Bing, bada, boom. Okay, and then the parameter name. I still have it? No, I don't. Okay. Oh, I don't. I need to make it. Okay. Actually, oops. So this should be part of begin play as well. Okay. So, yep. Nighttime makes sense. Now I've come to this day. Boom. Got that other exposure value. Great. Oh shit. Perfect. Okay. Ooh. Really? Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Play. Okay, it's on begin play. You shitting me? Damn it. Get material instance return value. Come on. Access none trying to read property. Call function get material instance on the return value. I mean, it's working. Why does it say that it's like accessing none? It's not even happening in begin play. I mean, sure, okay, begin play's calling this. Oh, I need to call to the thermal widget first. Ooh, whoops. Sure. Let's do that. That makes sense. Things should exist before I try to do things with them, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? And the errors are gone. Okay. I think we're pretty good now with that then. Yeah. Clicky. It would be kind of nice to let the light have like a little bit more influence. Oh yeah, okay, let's see. I want to see what I can do about this. To have something like this. Like, I don't know what units it's getting to like pull these values, right? Because like if I'm looking at this dead on and it's getting me that weird like vertical gradient, I have to imagine, and casting my light on it changes it, okay. But I mean, like the shading's fine on it, so it's like not world space, but kind of is. Oh yeah, well the light's off now. I don't know why it's like banding like that on the side when if I like come over here, it kind of stops doing that altogether. Oh shit, he's here with me. Where is he? Where is he? Whoa. Oh, I'm kind of in the wall. Can you see him on here? No. Oh, wait, no. No, it's not him. Oh. Where is he? Where'd he go? Oh, he's over there. Okay. Yep, good stuff, good stuff. Going through it at night too. Got all these. Oh. Go through and turn all these boys off. Oh shit, I don't have that tied to a to a light. Ruh-roh. Come here, close that. Turn this light off. We've still got our sweet little camera. Let's see if we can be able to see outside. I wonder if this camera is gonna fuck up the auto exposure. Ooh, I don't think it will. As long as I can see the sky from the horizon, then I consider that good. And it's only growing in brightness too, which is excellent. Sweet. Oof. The artifacting on that is pretty whack. Maybe we do need to bring down all the nice settings a bit. Yeah, I think we'll do that. So here, brightness of the UI. Let's cut that in half. And then brightness of the screen. Whoa, what? Why is this like... Oh, come on, really? Flippin' bastard. You flippin' bastard. Alright, good. Now if I come in here... Yeah! Kia! Kia! Okay. I feel a little better. That's funny that my traces show up. Okay. I still love how like glowy it is against the side there. I feel like that is more actually to do... Okay. So I think I've been overcompensating the material exposure. Let's see, fucking 100, come on. 10. Okay. There we go. That's good. Right, we just get a little bit of that rim light. We don't see little orbs dancing around. Yeah. Was he in the room? No. Damn, that was just the actual intensity of it getting way too bright. Huh. And now, still getting that some light weirdness. Just like these guys are. But it's a little bit more predictable at least. That's kind of nice. Okay. So, yeah, I kind of need to combine these walls. Well, not combine them, but insert them into the room mesh array. Nice. See, what would be nice is if I had something for debugging this, to say like for all of these arrays, if I had a button to say like show me or like toggle a overlay material in the viewport so that like around the edges of everything it gets like a highlight. So it's basically like a array selection option. Not in that I need anything selected, but just that kind of shows you visually what's part of the array. That would be helpful for this. Oh yeah, okay, I'm actually going to make another one of these. I decided this little room here kind of needs its own zone. So, go blueprints. We go to location zones. Pretty sure we're using all these. Have any weird ones? We'd have a kind of like a hallway B, but yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Okay. Come up over here. Should have nothing. No array elements or anything. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay. Do this on the other side. Okay. Drag that boy in right there. So we don't need the secondary one. Why is that so tall? Okay. Why is that not picking up everything? Move. Okay. You. Still in the living room, sure. Yeah, that's okay. Let's see. Did I extend the hallway through here? No, I think it's this dining room. That is the extra block. Yeah, so the dining room I kind of put over there too. So I'm going to remove that right now. Coming up here and saying don't use the secondary trigger. Boom. Except for now, the shitty part is, again, since I can't tell just by the name which array these pieces are in, I run the risk of duplicating that. So say wall interior 3 meter 2. No, okay. Let's just add it and go from there. Meshes, we're gonna do this one, floor ceiling. I'm kind of going back and forth on the floor, or like on the like house, changing temperature in general because it looks so janky on the floor and on the ceiling when there are cut lines. Let's see. Okay. It might be alright then. What's this? 2, 3 meter 3. Yep, that's there. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we'll call this one part of this too. Interior arch 2. You didn't claim it. Damn it. Interior arch 2. Okay, you did claim it. Delete that. Now so... Alright, now so this whole room is its own kind of separate spot. With some slightly different temperatures for everything. That's okay, come here boy. Come here, come here. Yay. I'm good to change one more time. Oh, he's too quick. Oh, he's too quick for us. Whoa, hey, look around. What's up? What's going on? What do you see? You gotta get that particle to not spin around like that. Dang it. That's whack. We'll figure that out another time. For now, though, this is working. We're chilling. Yeah, something like that. We'll fix that later. Okay. Let's see. So for this, another issue that I need to fix is this. So I use this. That'll scare me. It stops, and that adds stress to me. If I have to run it again, okay, so that works. Run it again. Yeah, it stops working now. Why does it stop working? I have something of like a 30-second kind of reset thing for this. So I'm going to try to wait just like a little bit longer than that. Oh, don't touch my table. I'll go away. Thank you. Gonna wait for that to reset and we'll see if that does anything. Nope. Just will not fire that option to be visible. So what we're gonna do, okay, so thermal scanner stuff, we're done. Got it. It works. We moving on. Okay, this one I am firing the small slide event. Which, whoa. Huh. That's not set up properly. Dang it. Furniture though is, and the table doesn't actually have anything unique about it, so we can delete all of this. Yeah. Boom. There's no way that was interfering with it, right? Right though. So it's great, right? It works once. I can do it a second time, and even that works. But then a third time? Nay, nay. I don't even get errors. Like, what's going on? So for the table, we don't even, not doing nada. Ain't doing nothing. It's only because of the actions in our parent class that we respond to anything. So yeah, I'm basically setting myself to have 2 action points. Oh yeah, 1 action point is representing like 0. I don't know, never mind. Anywho. Yeah, so that way I can just hit 9 and get to 10. So yeah, I'm hitting 2 to give myself basically 3 action points. do the slide event. The slide event is this. So that part is not responsible for resetting. Not sure if I'm actually using this anywhere. Spawn room, action events. Okay, yeah. So basically we get an action event called out to us from the ghost. We learn the type, the amount of points we have, and the strength. And then we basically do this. Where is it? Where's it good? Yeah, here. So we just use that to call, to relay, basically, the like action point category depending on that first number, and then we pass through the intensity of the action. So if it's like a tier 1, 2, or 3. And then I just make all these custom events to fire off of that. And that's that. So the issue now is how the object is being perceived and stored in the player character, I think. So when the object fires, comes from the location zone blueprint. Find target. Yeah, so the ghost basically sends this information here. And then only the rooms with the entity inside of it will respond, essentially. Pick an item and kind of send the exact same message, but to only one item in the room. And then also do the EMF effect. And then this is where we add the components. Oh no, okay, this is adding it for just the EMF effect. I have to separate that somewhere. Yeah, so it's still not handling the visual side. Begin play. Gosh darn it. Trying to rethink the logic that I made for being able to tell when the player's looking at objects. Basically, when the object does its action, it should be setting perception. Set like this perception component, like enabling it and disabling it. Or wow, is it all the logic happening in the player controller? No, because before that, the player controller is basically maintaining what the player sees, but still there's somewhere where the action needs to be getting set. It's not there. Just look at the player controller and see. Okay, begin play. All these other keys. Testing thing. Okay, I guess we're kind of doing that differently here. Cha. Okay, so this is our perception section. Oh yeah, can I just add my perceptions? They're not an ignore list, right? Really? Dang it. Right, never mind. Remove what from the array? If the stimulus is not successfully sensed. No? That doesn't make sense. Unless we are calling use visible function. Dang. Okay. I don't know if I need that though. So if we can see it, calling the use visible function, that is just taking a timer that says like, you know, you have to see me for less than, or for more than like 0.25 seconds basically. And that's like the minimum threshold to be seen. And then or that's like the minimum amount of time in this case to not be seen. But if, so long as like what we're seeing is true, then we're waiting with this retriggable delay. I wonder if I just need a gate here then maybe. This, okay, so let's just say this area is in question. Okay. So I think what I have going here is that I have this map, but then the map is being edited by, oh shit, yeah, all this. Maybe all this could be a one function. Okay, well this is where we're doing all our work. So it is in the player controller on tick. Son of a beach. So when we have visible actors in our array, every tick we're getting the time value of the actor. And then we're adding. Whoa. Okay, yeah. So if we could find, first we try to find the actor in the list. If it's there, then we set our current actor time. If it's not there, then we add it. Next thing we do is remove it. Oh, you know what? Maybe I need to do this. Set actor time to 0. There we go. So if we had to add it, we'll make sure that our value for actor time is 0. And then 2, we re-add the component now with its previous time plus our tick time. And then after that, we check to make sure that the new value of that is more than whatever like our threshold is. Right now it's 2 seconds, so if we look at it and the timer is less than 2 seconds, then if that number is not greater than the minimum, then it'll fire false. That won't do anything. Only when we see it for more than 2 seconds will we add the stress value, and then from that we add, now that we've added that item, right, stressed ourselves because of the item, we add it to a list of actors to deactivate. And then after we complete the loop through all the actors that we are looking at, we will check that list to make sure there's something in there, and if there is, we deactivate it. And then clear the list. So I think that all sounds solid. I'm not 100% clear on why that would fix it, but I think that actually might solve the problem here. Let us test. Okay. Spooky spooks. One more time. Another spook, and please work for the 3rd time. Damn it all. Okay. Let's see here. Whoa. Is that why? It's still in the visible actors array. Huh. Okay. So basically I could see the tick coming through and it would just die right here, which means the length of this array here is 0. Visible actors array. Okay. Where are we getting you? Find the references. I'm not setting it? Let's see. Okay, that's checking, sure. Deactivate stress object. Okay. Whoa, why am I adding it back in? That's not good. Deactivate stress object. Okay, so that should be coming sometime in tick, right? Yeah, okay, here it is. Deactivate the stress object. Okay. So that's good then. Yeah, I don't know why I'm adding it back into the loop. Step 1. Take the visible actors array object, or take the visible actors array and remove the stress actor from it. Step 2. Cast to the object, get its perception source, and then unregister that. Cool. Then remove this also from the actors array map. And fucking why? Why would I add it back? That's so random. That's gotta be, well no. I wonder maybe if it's gotta be something with like the perception system? Or maybe multiple casting? Okay, everything worked there. Click again, firing. Everything fired again from the deactivate. Okay, work. Damn you. Oh, and then at the end it didn't fire the deactivate again. Looks like it's really not. No, dude. Okay. Was that my table? Table 2? No, table 1. He hit that one. Okay. So, taking this. 2K. T. See, that fires. That works. T. Fires and works. T. Doesn't fire, doesn't work. What the shitty titties. Okay, so whatever's getting, just calling this is not doing that. Somewhere through here. Deactivate the actor list. Okay. I think somehow it's just not getting back to visible actors, and I feel like that has to do with something with what I'm doing with the like registering and unregistering it from perception. Cause I wonder if I play this. Do that. I'm gonna do that. Let's come over here and try this. That's fine. I'll come over here and do this. And that's fine too. I'll come over and do this. That's fine. And then let's go back here for the third time. Ooh, that one works. But I'm not looking at it though. Why is... You little bastard. Damn it. So if I like actually look away from it and then go back to it, I think it keeps working. But if I just like stare at it, it kind of keeps happening. Maybe. Oh shit, it's working. What is up with that? Okay, let's see. Usually I gave it some time. Wow, okay. Alright, bro. We got it. Okay. Right. Let's try the old test though. This time I was like kind of running around. Okay. 1, 2. Visible actors. 3. Damn it. I mean, that's just for seeing the TV though. Doesn't count. Why are you not getting? Okay, see. You. Let's kind of mix up the array. Over here, do you? Something's going on with the way it's trying to add the item to the array. Okay, this follows display name. Or it's just not updating the perception, right? That's the only reason. Or at least perception. Only when this. Okay. Right? Make sure that I'm not pulling anything out of this beyond where I perceive it. So here we're just making sure it's more than 0. Okay, this is the problem, I think. When we deactivate the stress object, I don't think we should be removing it from the visible actors array. This should only be removed. Well, if it doesn't get removed, then it's still going to be here. And on tick, it's going to be doing all that. So, okay, I understand what the problem is. Essentially, well, that's weird because I don't perceive it when I'm looking at it. Like this, its perception is turned off. My camera is focused on it. I click on it and that turns the perception on. It does its thing and then it turns its perception off. And then as I hit it again, it should turn its perception on and off. But then the third time it's like it won't come on. See how the project perception graph flows. Shit. Yeah. See, like nothing? Okay, nothing's there to be perceived. And then I turn this, and there's something there. Okay, and that even removes it from the thing. Okay, so that stressed me out. Good. Do this again. It's going to fire that. Okay, it almost instantly removes me. I wonder if that has something to do with it. But now, yeah, when I hit this, the perception... Dang it. Let's see if I do that, though. Can I try that? No. It's not updating my perception info. Oh shit, now this. Component has been activated with the primary indicator goes for a reset. Notifies all bound objects that perception info has been updated for a given target. Whoa. Wait. Okay, I think that's fine. I want Mississippi to Mississippi. Yeah. Why is it working now? Ugh. Does that have anything to do with it? That it was just a different ghost action? Whoa. Whoa, it's like there's almost a timer and then it just stops being a ghost thing. Shanked. Okay, now what I need to do 2KT. There's gotta be something going on with my order operations that just gets tripped up so hard. Like, 'cause if I just do it like real gentle, like. Can leave that there. Hit it again, it'll work. But the third time. Okay, so we're not really doing anything here. Just kind of a place to hold values. If that. This has been not helpful at all. Okay. Trying to wait a bit of time. See, so if I wait a while, then. What is up with that? Why does it just stop working after a small period of time? Fuck. So when am I registering you? It's gotta be out here now. When an event is called. Oh, we're double unregistering? That's probably the issue. Time to be stressful, set in the ghost object. Yep, 15 seconds, that sounds about right. With a re-triggerable delay. Okay, let's see. Think maybe instead of unregistering it from the player side, deactivate the stress object. Yes. Dang. Can't tell. Oh, they have all these is registered options, but not for perception. Boy, come on. Okay. So we do an action, we set it up, and we immediately start a timer. I mean, that makes sense for things that like we don't want to see. If I don't do this though, then everything will just remain visible for a while, and it'll just be like you know, we could touch a chair in one room and the player go in there an hour later and get scared by it. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Maybe if I tackle the perception registration logic all within the object, and then the player will just cast to the object and run that script, or run the function, perhaps with a variable, like a boolean to say it's from, like the player sensed it, so deregister. Oh wait, no. The other thing was, I do want to stay with the idea that the object will be receivable for X amount of time, and it should be set up as simply as it is. With that in mind, then I think what needs to happen is the object, once it does an action, it'll be in the perception system. The player will see it. The object will be everything will happen as it's normally happening, but then I'll have to put it to like an ignore list basically. And then once the object has triggered the stress event, it'll be put to the ignore list until another event is called on it. And then otherwise it's in the ignore list, and then we could say as an extra step from within the object, we'll cast to all the players and say, like, okay, this object timed out for being scary, pull it off the ignore list. I think that'll work. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so in that case, this is still valid. Essentially, where an action comes in and we say it can be seen, and then we start a timer to make it unseen. And if another action comes in, it just tries to do this, makes it visible again, which is redundant, whatever, it's fine. But then it resets the timer for deactivating again, which is what we want. So with that in mind, from the player side, we are still going to do all this logic. God, I really want to... Oops. This, god damn you. Okay. Collapse the function. Okay, so this is going to be stress object manage function. Stress objects. Something like that. Let's see. Okay. Our input pin is stressing actor. Okay. It probably would be a bit more effective down there. I want to be setting a variable. Okay. So. For each. Okay. For each in this, should find. Nope. Okay. Oops. What can we see? Contains item. Okay, yeah. This is what we want. Okay. So on tick, we check our visible actor array. If we have any there, and we check our ignore actor array. We look through our visible actors. If our ignore actor array contains that, we ignore it. If not, we'll run through and manage the stress and everything. Now I think basically I'm gonna need this. Get. Alrighty then. I should just keep these out here so I can just go boom and delete them. Okay. Oh wait, yeah, this does actually need to only happen if this happens. Okay. On the deactivate actor list, okay. So on perception, we're trying to add them whenever we see them. Okay, maybe we do a branch here as well if it's in the ignore actors list. So as the player, you ignore the target if it's been done. If it doesn't contain that, go ahead and keep looking. Yeah. And then unregister and then cast all players and remove shit. Well, maybe begin play, I store all the players kind of thing, and then if a player spawns, I can add to it or remove from the list. Or how about each player has ignore active list. What? Return the specific player start actor that should be used for the next spawn. This will use previously saved start actor. No. Restart player. Okay, that's good. That's good. Input mapping queries. No. Just want to get all the players. Know what I'm saying? Okay. Do not have. Okay, this is in the individual player actually. Be an array there, know what I'm saying? That's fine. Okay, so we get our number of players, and then we're gonna have to loop through them to store them in the array. For loop, no. Loop body. Okay, that's just like a Gotcha. Get all actors of class. I think that's what we need. And then for this, we're storing them in the controller, so I need the player controllers. Ghost game player controller. This. Ah, shit. This guy's supposed to be. Ghost game player controller. Reference array, please. Get. Add. Unique. Boom. Pow. Okay. So that has our polyar array. Our polyar array. It's good, it's good, it's good. Player array. We. Okay, so. Do we have. Yeah, we're just gonna have to cast the ghost game mode. Yes, okay. Store that there. Get this. We want player array, please. What? What? Oh wait, whoops. Yeesh. Okay, man, what am I doing with this? Not that, but for each player array, if get the okay. Each player, blah, 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 for each array element. This is get ignore actors. If this contains self, yes, branch, because some players might not do that. Oh, no, branch this way. This will technically come out of here. If we are on that list, then get stored actors. Okay, we say remove. Cha-la-la, cha-la-la-la. Okay. Homie G's, y'all know what I'm saying? Do you even know what I am saying? Y'all see this madness out here? We're game deving it up, everybody. We're doing the duty. Okay. Kia. Alright. Can't get these two. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now I can store the array value like that attribute reference, but I don't know if it'll. No, it will change during game. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So we unregister. Oh, yeah, okay. This is actually going to come out of here. Only after we unregister do we remove ourselves from the ignore list. Okay. Alright. I think that's good. And then as far as the controllers are concerned, managing our stress function. When we go to deactivate the list. Are we so concerned with the physical actors? Yeah. Okay, we'll remove it from that, and then we need to add it to the ignore list. I think that should be it, maybe. Just in case, know what I'm saying? Okay. And then, you know what? Put it on the ignore list. But if something happens, it needs to not, come off the ignore list and be viable again. I feel like this is a good opportunity to start trying to use logic gates, but I'm not exactly sure what format or how to really integrate that. Because I'm thinking of some weird timing issues. Hold on. Hey. How you doing? Yay. That's good. You're probably just gonna stream for a half hour or so and then come eat. Okay. And she's gone. Okay, so we are put on the ignore actors list. When do we add ourselves to the ignore actors list? Oh wait, no, I'm supposed to add, right? Ooh. No, okay, no. Back. Unregister, remove from the ignore it. Yeah. Okay. And then after we scare the player, we add it to the ignore list, right? Player control. Yeah, you on tick. Doing all that. If the ignore actor is there, ignore it. Maybe, yeah, let's try to work our way out of the deactivate list and just kind of put it on. Yeah, we just leave it to ignore. We don't deactivate it from the player controller level. Okay. So we add the stress value. Right? Only if we add the stress value do we then add it to the actor list. Visible actors array. I mean, sure. deregistering now. Instead, we're doing this. And then we're removing that. Okay. I think that actually is okay. I just have to juggle a few different arrays here. Let's see if I can just jump in it and it'll work. I don't know if I quite finished the tying up all the loose ends of the logic there, but that's not good. Okay. Actually, I think I am going to just take a break now and eat. Yeah, I'm just going to take a break for a little bit and I'll be back on in like an hour or so. Hope everybody's enjoying. Get some food yourselves.